Repairs and insurance of plant and machinery stroke furniture. Section 31. Now just a short while ago we saw about section 30, which deals with the case of repairs and insurance in respect of building. Section 31 basically deals with the cases where you are allowed deduction for repairs and insurance of plant and machinery and furniture. I mean, it's not necessarily and, it could be either or as well. Now, under this section, basically, two kinds of expenditure are allowed. Okay. The first condition, as I had said initially also in respect of building, was that these three items should be used for the purpose of business or profession. If these are not used, you do not get this deduction under section 31. Now, assuming you are using the plant and machinery or the furniture for the purpose of your business or profession, then what is the deduction that you get? The first deduction is the deduction for payment for current repairs. Okay. Now, what does this mean? Again, I am referring to current repairs, which necessarily mean that any kind of a capital expenditure incurred in respect of plant and machinery or furniture is not allowed as a deduction under section 31. What is allowed is only payment for current repairs. Now, the first thing is, what is a current repair? A current repair is like, let's say for example, you bought a piece of furniture. When you buy a furniture, you incur a capital expense, right? Once you've bought it, then in order to maintain this furniture, you keep on incurring small expenses. So let's say for example, you got a sofa set, okay, which had 4 legs. One fine day, one of the legs broke. So you got this repaired. This expenditure is a current repair, right? So any payment that you make for this kind of a money on current repairs is allowed as a deduction. But if tomorrow you say, okay, let me just use this base and let me add 4 more legs to this, add another sofa to this, let's enlarge the size of this sofa. So if this was 10 meter earlier, let's make it 20 meter. Then it's kind of capital expenditure because you're trying to bring a new asset into existence. That is not allowed as a deduction under section 31. Right? The second thing is insurance premium paid against the risk of damage or destruction of plant and machinery or furniture. Fairly simple, right? If you pay any kind of an insurance premium, which you are trying to pay in order to ensure that your plant and machinery or furniture, if damaged, you are going to get back the money from the insurance company. That premium that you pay to the insurance company is also allowable as a deduction for the purpose of section 31. Right? So that was all that we had in this Okay. Let's move on to the next section.